2022 Mercedes-Benz GLS. With less than 42,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.